Hello guys, this is Blood TV. Yes, so I would like you to watch this video till the end. Like wow, this testimony is hench. Okay, watch it and try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload an amazing video just like this, you will get a notification. YouTube will notify you. Thank you.
Unfortunately, because of condition of the road, they could not come. So this boy, when he was 6 years, we were called that non-away conversion, instant conversion, almost on daily basis. So since then, the parents has been taking him to hospitals, to in short anywhere, my native doctor, I say war here, everywhere. So now this boy is 15 years. So the thing keeps disgracing him. Just school, so this time of 100 days, amen. So I'm saying, no matter Lagos. So we have to pay for their transport, Habia. We camped here, all of us, all our family, because of him, we had to overflow. So even almost every night, epileptic attack. We understand what I'm saying. Because at a stage, he become violent. Anybody know and so all go. So one of the days, I think on the 99th day, at night, Oga was the conference. So the thing, it was so violent. So by then, we have bought seraphic oil. So I opened that seraphic oil and waited the seraphic oil. Immediately, we had that seraphic oil. And since from that day till today, this testimony, he has not had any epileptic attack. So they said, I must come and give this testimony. If you know how to Zion, but Zion,
we move. Sister here is thanking God of Zion for divine healing upon their son that was epileptic for 16 good years. They came to Zion ground here during the ending of the 100 days fasting and prayer during the 7 days crusade. On the 99th day of that program, the thing was so bad, they camped in the overflow, that the guy became so violent that at that time our sister here ministered the seraphic oil into his mouth, to his ears, to his mouth, to his nose, to the eyes, everywhere. And immediately the seraphic oil penetrated into his system. He calmed down immediately. And since that very day till today, the epilepsy of 16 years vanished without trace, to the glory of God of Zion Ministry.